Is buying a cheap car from Copart really worth it? Well, today we're gonna find out how much it costs to rebuild this Audi with the clean title and see if it was worth it or I just did all the work for nothing. Now, if you're new to the channel, I've been buying cars and flipping them in hopes to one day reach a Lamborghini. I started this flip series with $9,074. So this is my 2012 Audi A5 that I bought with the clean title from Copart for $3,000. Now, I did pay $1,000 in fees to get it here and it had slight damage. Now, I think we should start with where the major damage was. Now, the hood and fenders, I bought secondhand from a guy and those were $450. This grill I bought off from eBay, $70. This headlight, $386.90. Front bumper, $318.16. These little bezels on each side were $45. These fog lights right here, $35. Now you're probably already guessing that I've spent quite a bit on this car, but there's still a lot more. To get the car running and driving, there's a lot of things that needed to be done. This radiator support right here, $194.86. The radiator behind here, I bought for $100 used because Audi wanted like $600 or $700, which was absolutely crazy. And the condenser was $86.06. The airbox I bought used off from eBay, $75. Now the car was running a little rough. End up giving the car a full tune-up, coil packs and everything in here. That was about $100. Now I did get lucky on the car because the front of the car, it was a high hit, none of the crash bar, nothing behind there got damaged. That was a bonus. Now let's talk about things on the inside of the car, like the airbags. A lot of times they're really expensive, but I bought this airbag that was off from an Audi A4 and I swapped the wiring connection and what do you know? It worked. And this was $50. Curtain airbag, which I had to remove the whole headliner. I accidentally ordered a right-hand curtain airbag. That was $100. Knee airbag, which was down here, bang, $125. Belts on each side, $45 each. Now, one thing that was a costly mistake that I'm pretty sure that I did, but not 100% sure because this hood and the hood hinges were shifted over. The windshield was broken right here. Not sure if it was done by the accident or myself, but this windshield cost $250. Now there is still one minor thing that I have to fix. There's no music in the car. And when you're buying a car, I feel like everybody likes to turn up the radio system. So I do have to replace back here the amplifier, which is a common problem with Audis because they put them over here in the corner of the trunk and then water leaks down and it leaks right on it and shorts them out. So let's replace the amplifier, and the amplifier was $86. Now there is a lot of other little miscellaneous things, and I'm gonna consider them miscellaneous parts, like, you know, the hood latch, their paint, which was $135, pyro fuse, small nuts and bolts. I'm gonna estimate that around $250, which brings the total of building this Audi A5 to $6,811.98. Now I do think that there is a good profit in this. Let me know in the comments below if you think that there is a good profit. Thanks for watching. If you like this type of content, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you wanna see more builds like this where I could possibly spend way too much money, be sure to smash that subscribe button. This video is over and peace.